Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Google has just taken AI to the next level. 2.5 Flash Nano Banana, the new experimental AI model that can generate stunning images from prompts. In this video, I will show you what Nano Banana can do, how it works, and most important, how you can use this for free. So, let's get started. To access Google's Nano Banana tool, simply visit Google Gemini by going to gemini.google.com/app. From the Model menu, select 2.5 Flash, or you can search Google Studio AI, then open this first link, and from the main dashboard, click on Try Nano Banana. By default, it will auto-generate a sample prompt. Generate an image of a banana wearing a costume. Let's run this prompt. The generation takes just a little time, and here's the result. You can see the banana's costume and everything looks excellent. Now let's try an animated style banana prompt. Okay, so here is the result. So this image also looks amazing. Let's try another prompt. A photorealistic image of a cute little boy with curly hairs wearing a yellow hoodie. And run the prompt. Here is the result. The image looks really amazing and realistic. Now let's change the location. For example, the boy is walking in a garden. And here is the result. The image is really, really good. Look at the details. Amazing.
Let's compare both images side by side. The image's quality is super sharp, and what really impressed me is the consistency. Even though I used slightly different prompts, the overall style, lighting, and realism stayed the same. Just look at how natural and detailed both images are. Now, let's try this prompt. And here is the result. Notice that you don't need to re-enter all the details again and again. The tool automatically keeps the character consistent. This makes it super easy to create consistent characters across multiple prompts and build amazing story-driven videos. Now, let's have some more fun by uploading a character image. Click on the plus button, then upload the image. After uploading, simply type your prompt like the man is wearing a cap. Here is the result, and the image looks perfect. Now I am going to tell you, if you use all your tokens, then how you can use this for free. Okay? So for that, open New tab and search for this website, LMarena.ai. So here, click on Battle. And from here, you have to select Direct Chat. Then from here, select Generate Images. And then select Model. So now you can see the Nano Banana model is here. And from here, you can now generate any image. So let me show you upload an image again with the same prompt which I used before.
And just run the prompt. So here is the result. Again, the image looks really good. Okay, let's save the image. Now let's compare both images. You can clearly see there is no difference, and both the images looks perfect. Now I try this prompt, and here is the result. The image looks really realistic. Let's try the last prompt, and here is the result. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out future tutorials.